This strategy involves including children in the decision-making process and finding solutions together. Parents encourage their children to voice their opinions and concerns, fostering a sense of autonomy and responsibility. Collaborative problem-solving is a parenting approach that involves actively involving children in the decision-making process and working together to find solutions to challenges and conflicts. This strategy aims to foster a sense of autonomy, responsibility, and problem-solving skills in children. Active participation. Parents actively involve their children in discussions about various issues and challenges that arise in family life. They encourage their children to participate actively in problem-solving discussions, giving them a voice in the decision-making process. Valuing children's input. Collaborative problem-solving recognizes the value of children's perspectives and opinions. Parents genuinely consider and respect their children's thoughts and feelings when seeking solutions to problems. Empowerment and autonomy. By including children in decision-making, parents empower them to take ownership of their choices and actions. This involvement fosters a sense of autonomy and independence, which is essential for a child's overall development. Brainstorming solutions. Collaborative problem-solving involves brainstorming different solutions together as a family. Parents encourage creativity and critical thinking in their children to explore various options and ideas. Active listening. Parents practice active listening during problem-solving discussions, giving their full attention to their children's viewpoints. This active listening helps build trust and open communication between parents and children. Mutual respect. Collaborative problem-solving promotes an atmosphere of mutual respect and cooperation within the family. Parents model respectful communication and demonstrate the value of considering others' perspectives. Teaching conflict resolution. Through collaborative problem-solving, parents teach their children essential conflict resolution skills. Children learn how to identify and express their needs and work towards finding mutually beneficial solutions. Age-appropriate responsibilities. As part of collaborative problem-solving, parents assign age-appropriate responsibilities to children. This fosters a sense of responsibility and accountability for their actions and contributions to the family. Learning from mistakes. Parents acknowledge that mistakes are a natural part of problem-solving and encourage a growth mindset in their children. Children learn that mistakes can be valuable learning opportunities and that finding solutions may require trial and error. By using collaborative problem-solving, parents can nurture their children's confidence, autonomy, and decision-making abilities. It also strengthens the parent-child relationship and fosters a positive and cooperative family dynamic. This approach helps children develop important life skills that can serve them well in various aspects of their lives, including school, relationships, and future challenges.